How to replace front side marker lights, parking lights, on Mazda CX-5, 2013 to 2016, in 7 easy steps. We'll change the side market light from the right headlight. We will do exactly how Mazda owner's manual show us. Required tools: flat blade screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, side marker light bulb T10W5W. First, make sure that you have the engine turned off and headlights off. We'll start with removing those 3 clips or retainers, and then we move back there to remove those 2 clips and the bolt. One, remove those 3 clips or retainers from the mudguard. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel, Tutorial Auto. Two, remove also those 2 clips from the lower side of the mudguard and the bolt using a Phillips screwdriver. If you are changing the right side market light bulb, start the engine, turn the steering wheel all the way to the right, and turn off engine. If you are changing the left low beam bulb, turn the steering wheel to the left. This is to create more space in front of the wheel. 3. Partially peel back the plastic part and the mudguard. Four, insert your hand to reach behind the headlight and remove the side marker light bulb. To remove it, you just have to twist it to the left, counterclockwise. Mazda CX-5 is using a T10W5W bulb for side marker light that you can find it in the video description below. Five, replace the old bulb with a new one. Six, place back the light bulb in the headlight and turn it clockwise. Seven, install back the mudguard and the plastic part and then put the clips and the bolt back. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, let us know in the comments section.
If my video was helpful, please like, comment and subscribe or send me a super thanks.
Thank you for watching.